We're in the 1999 Toyota RAV 4.1 with the 3S FE engine. I just had the spark plugs replaced and the car is running a little rough, so I'm not sure what's going on. Let's check their spark plugs and figure out why this car is running rough after replacing the spark plugs. Stay tuned. Alright, so replacing the spark plugs on this 4-cylinder 3S FE engine is really simple. Just pop out the coils one by one. This one is dry, looks good. Alright, pull this one out. You should pull out one by one. Do not remove the coils all at one at a time because it might get snagged on the wires. Okay. Ouch, that hurt. Alright. So as you can see, all the coils are attached by these brackets, so it's best to loosen all of them out first before you take them out. This one's a little tight. Alright, let's get this one out. Every single one of them looks dry, which is good. And here you can see all the spark plug holes. Just get your spark plug socket and take them out. Alright, pulled out the plug. As you can see here. Now, for those who know this car really well, what's wrong here? There is something wrong. Let's go check out the plugs that are supposed to be in the car. These laser iridiums NGK-Rs with the dual electrodes. So be very careful, guys, when you're buying parts online. A lot of these parts fit checkers will tell you that the single electrode spark plugs will fit, but they are wrong. Check your owner's manual. They'll tell you exactly what type of parts to put in your car, especially spark plugs. So these are the correct ones that go with the RAV4. Make sure you get those. So I'm going to be replacing all of these single electrode NGKs that I put earlier with the correct ones, and hopefully this car will run much more smooth. So let's get the rest of these out and put the new ones in. Now, I've already loosened all the spark plugs, so don't go blasting me for using the electric socket wrench. That one out. Whoops. There you go. Last but not least. So I've driven this car for about 600-700 miles, and so far they still look alright. Still look good. Actually, they are brand new still. So I'm guessing I'm going to be saving these and putting them in my Scion XB 2008, as these do fit on that car and those do not require dual electrodes. So let's open up the laser iridiums and put those in. Alright, here they are, the laser platinums. I'm sorry, these are not laser iridiums, these are laser platinums. So you just put it in and then you just screw it on finger tight so you don't strip the threads until they are finger tight. You're going to torque them out later. Got that one in. Next one, let's speed this up. Alright, so that's finger tight. Let's get the torque wrench here. Alright, let's set this bad boy to 13 foot-pounds and get it torqued down. Alright, set to 13. Alright, back with some dielectric grease. let's take these coils out and then apply some on the boot. All in there. Another one here. Alright. And the last one. All in there. Alright. Let's put these back on. Alright. Make sure these cables aren't tangled. Alright, this one's tangled. This one goes up and around like that. This one's also tangled. Let me fix that. Alright, this one's up. Get all these out. This one is supposed to go around here. Alright, so they're all in the correct orientation. Put these back on. Nice snap up to place. Last but not least, there you go. Now let's turn on the car and see how it fires up. Alright, so previously upon cold start, it'll run rough. The whole engine would shake. So let's see if it runs smoother now. Oh yeah, you definitely feel a difference. There's less engine vibration, especially on cold start. See here, the car is dead cold. There's about, I'd say, less than half of the vibration. The car does have a worn rear engine mount, but overall the vibration did drop a lot. So yeah, make sure when you're searching for parts on any of your cars, especially Toyotas, make sure you check the manual. Don't listen to those fit checkers that you see on Amazon or Advance Auto or whatever. They might sell you the wrong parts. Always check your manual. For my car, I do not have the manual, so wasn't able to check, but doing some research online, everyone's saying that always use dual electrode spark plugs on your first gen RAV4. So now that's done. Thank you guys for watching.